24/2018, Water and Sanitation Service Company Limited Completion Certificate for Local Service Order number 121554 dated
So the first accused is Wycliffe Wangamati, and his terms of bond are a bond of 5 million, in the alternative a cash bail of 1.5 million. These terms also apply to the accused number 6 and 7. Are we clear? Yes. Okay. So then we have the second and third accused, and their bonds have been set at 1 million, and in the alternative a cash bail of 400,000 each. These terms also apply to the fifth accused. The fourth accused is a bond of 10 million, in the alternative a cash bail of 2.5 million. The eighth accused is a bond of 8 million, in the alternative a cash bail of 2 million. And then we have accused 9, 10, and 11 banded together, each of them a bond of 1 million, in the alternative a cash bail of 250.